Hello everyone. If you are looking for the best bagless cylinder vacuum cleaner to keep your home spotless, this video is for you. Today, we will discover together the 3 best models. We regularly update the names and prices of the products mentioned, so do not hesitate to check the description for the most recent information.
And nobody knows.
In the top 3, we have the Amazon Basics 15KC71EU4. Amazon Basics is known for its simple but effective products. This vacuum cleaner is bagless, with a washable HEPA filter, and is perfect for hard floors and carpets. It offers excellent energy efficiency, rated A, which means it consumes little energy while providing optimal cleaning power. Power, 700 watts. Allowing powerful suction to effectively clean hard floors and carpets. Capacity, 1.5 liters, sufficient for domestic use without having to empty the container too often. Dimensions, compact and easy to store. Weight, 5 kilograms, which makes it easy to transport around the house. Range, 6 meters, ideal for covering a large area without changing sockets. Triple action head, deeply absorbs large and fine dust thanks to a suction adjustment with a simple sliding button. Washable HEPA 12 filter, captures more than 99.5% of fine particles, ideal for allergy sufferers. Pros, compact and lightweight design. Easy to carry thanks to the integrated handle, perfect for stairs and hard to reach places. Rewindable cable, easy to store after use, with a 5-meter long cable. Included accessories, crevice tool, upholstery head, dusting brush, parquet brush, and accessory holder. Cons, availability of spare parts. Spare parts are not available, which can be a problem if repairs are needed. Noise level, a little noisy at 78 decibels, which can be annoying for some users. No cordless function, requires a nearby electrical outlet to operate. The top 2, we have the Eureka Whirlwind. If you like high-tech gadgets and are willing to invest a little more, this is a super interesting option. This model is cyclonic, lightweight and powerful. Ideal for carpets, hard floors and pet hair. It uses multi-cyclonic technology that ensures efficient separation of dust and debris, guaranteeing a constant airflow and powerful suction. Power, 700 watts. Providing sufficient cleaning power for various types of surfaces. Capacity, 1.5 liters, with an easy-to-empty dust container. Dimensions, allowing good maneuverability. Weight, 3.7 kilograms. Very light and easy to transport. Range, 8 meters, for extended coverage without having to unplug the device frequently. Multi-cyclonic technology ensures deep cleaning by effectively separating dust particles from the airflow. Washable HEPA filter. No need to replace filters regularly, reducing additional costs. Pros, 2-in-1 built-in crevice tool. Always at hand, it can be used for corners and upholstered furniture. Lightweight and handy design. Easy to move around the house, even on stairs and around furniture. Automatic cable winding. Makes storage easier and avoids tangling problems. Cons, cable length, 5 meters, which may be a bit short for some large rooms. Noise level, 78 decibels, which is similar to other models but may be perceived as noisy by some. No cordless function. Like the previous model, it requires an electrical outlet. In top 1, combining performance, innovation and design, we have the Philips Power Pro Compact Series 3000. This model is a classic of the Philips brand. It is compact, powerful and perfect for parquet floors and carpets. Thanks to its Power Cyclone 5 technology, it effectively separates dust from the air in a single step, for exceptional cleaning performance. Power: 900 watts, offering powerful and efficient suction. Capacity: 1.5 liters, with a dust container that is easy to empty and clean. Dimensions: compact and easy to store. Weight: 4.5 kilograms, making it handy and easy to transport. Tri-active brush, performs 3 cleaning actions in a single pass, ideal for carpets and hard floors. H13 filtration system, perfect for people with allergies. It traps pollen, animal hair and dust mites. Pros: compact and lightweight design, easy to maneuver and store, ideal for small homes or apartments. Included accessories: crevice tool, built-in brush, pepper allergy H13 filter, and washable filter. 2-year warranty, offers additional peace of mind. Cons: weight, a little heavier than other models shown, at 4.5 kilograms. No information on spare parts. The availability of spare parts is unclear, which can be a problem if repairs are needed. Noise level: like other models, it can be perceived as noisy. To summarize, we have seen the 3 best bagless cylinder vacuum cleaners. Amazon Basics 15kc 71 EU4 lightweight, efficient and economical. Eureka Whirlwind, cyclonic, practical and handy. Philips Power Pro Compact Series 3000 powerful, innovative and ideal for allergy sufferers. That concludes our top 3 of the best current bagless cylinder vacuum cleaners. Tell us in the comments what you thought of them. The links and prices of the products are in the description just below. Subscribe so you don't miss our next videos. See you soon.